Hi students, in this section we are going to discuss very important topic, entropy. This entropy is also called degree of disorderedness. So to explain it very clearly, take a cup of water and take another cup of milk. Okay, so mix these two in another vessel. So entropy is also called as a probability. Entropy also called a probability. Now mix these two in a vessel. Now milk and water, they are combined now. So now my question here is, what is the probability that all the milk particles, I'm discussing all the milk particles on one side, all the water molecules on the other side. The probability of water one side and the milk is another side. That actually are discussed by entropy. If you go for higher studies in mechanical engineering, you will study about how the entropy works in these cases also. But as of now, entropy is just explained in the formula. ds is equal to change in entropy is nothing but change in heat energy by temperature, dq by t. So dq is equal to T into ds, q is equal to, or delta q is equal to integral T ds. So we can get the change in heat energy by area under the curve for T should be in y axis, S should be in x axis. Okay, few more points about entropy. If change in entropy is greater than 0, it is irreversible process. And if delta S is less than 0, it is reversible process. Now for irreversible process, now you just consider our universe is irreversible. So entropy of the universe is continuously increasing. So entropy of the universe is increasing. Delta is less than 0 for reversible process. So some reactions, before doing it, generally they calculate the entropy possibilities by using simulations. Simulations are nothing but a mathematical tool used in computers. Okay, so we got this one. Next we are going to see different cases in entropy. ds is equal to, or change in entropy, ds is equal to dq by t. And if what is the change in entropy if there is a phase, for if the process is isothermal process. Instead of ds, I am writing delta s is equal to integral dq is nothing but q by temperature. Q for isothermal process is nRT into ln V2 by V1 by T. T gets cancelled. nR into ln V2 by V1. So ln V2 by V1, this is for one kind of process. Let's see for, so this is for isothermal process. Next, if any body is undergoing phase transmission because of heat. Phase transmission is nothing but, so how much amount of heat you are supposed to supply? Mass of this into latent heat capacity, m into L. So delta S will be m into L by the temperature. Okay, so this is what the change in entropy for phase transmission, because temperature remains constant. Instead of phase transmission, if temperature is changing, so then delta S is equal to Q. Okay, delta S is equal to Q is equal to ms into dt by T, integral dq by T, right? So for a space transmission, temperature is changing, so T1 to T2. So if S is a constant, S comes out ms into ln T2 by T1 will be the value, if provided specific heat is constant. If S is a function of time, we cannot directly do integrations. Okay, delta S is for this case alone. Okay, let's see one problem on efficiency. So what is the efficiency we calculated? Efficiency is equal to work done by heat added. From the last video, if you heard the last video attentively, so we discussed two problems. Third problem I told you to do, and the work done, how to get the work done for this case. Okay, this is a cyclic process. So let's see, for a cyclic process, Q is nothing but delta U becomes 0, is nothing but work done. So Q, what is a Q? Q is equal to temperature versus entropy graph is given. So Q is equal to integral TdS. So the total work, total heat is equal to area under the curve. So what is the area under the curve for this? Half into breadth is nothing but S0, height is T0. So work done is nothing but total heat, work done is nothing but T0 S0 by 2. Okay, for the total entire process, or nothing but it is also equal to heat added, total heat added. Okay, we cannot say heat added plus heat removed. Okay, next, from A to B, we just see what is remaining constant. Q is equal to integral T ds. So to get work done is equal to, efficiency is equal to work done by heat supplied. Okay, we should see where and all heat is supplied. So if the heat is supplied, T into ds, Q, just see AB process, QAB, area under the curve for temperature versus C, T into S0 minus 2 S0. So it is equal to minus T0 S0. Heat is not added, heat is removed from here. Okay, so heat is removed in the AB process. And Q, next let's go to the other process, BC process. BC process, what is the constant? Entropy is constant. Q is equal to, Q is equal to integral T ds. If entropy is constant, Q is equal to 0. So Q in a process BC is equal to 0. Let's see CA. So how much CA is equal to, okay, CA, how the area under the curve. So this is like total area, rectangle plus triangle. So half T0 S0 plus T0 into S0. So 3 by 2 T0 S0. QCA is equal to 3 by 2 T0 S0. This is plus or minus plus. So this is the only place heat is added. So now efficiency is equal to work done by heat added. So what is the total work done? Half T0 S0 by, what is the total heat given? 3 by 2 T0 S0. It is equal to 1 by 3 is the efficiency of the cycle. This is a cyclic process. Thank you.